Thank you guys for stopping by as usual. You guessed it, today we're making shrimp and grits. Alrighty, this video is going to focus on our shrimp and there'll be a separate one for the grits. Alrighty, so jumping right in, I have a large skillet here. I'm using an electric skillet for this because I'm making it for such a quantity of people. And then you'll see I just started out with some vegetable oil in the whole bottom of my pan. So the entire bottom of my pan was covered. And some onions, red, yellow, and orange peppers. And you'll see what I was doing there was just adding in some really big heaping spoons of garlic. If you watch any video on this channel, you know we love spice and we love garlic. So I put some heaping teaspoons of garlic, not teaspoons, I'm sorry, cooking spoons of garlic in there. And I'm just going to go ahead and let that saute and become fragrant. So at this point, I am then going to let that saute for about 10 minutes. You see now my onions are translucent. I've added 2 small tomatoes to this mixture. And then after the small tomatoes are all combined, I'm going to go ahead and add 2 Sazon packs, all right, 2 Goya Sazon packs. And that's going to bring that flavor about that we're looking for in that sauce. Alrighty, here you see me adding a little chicken stock because I don't want my gravy to begin to stick to the bottom of the pot. I want this to continue to move around freely before I add my shrimp to the mixture, so that we're going to create this just really bomb gravy that's going to be bomb on your shrimp and grits. All right. So at this point, you'll see I'm just letting this saute for another 10 minutes to go ahead and combine. Then I'm going to add my shrimp, which I've already seasoned off camera. I'll link it down below what I used, and you guys will season to your taste. And then I will add this to my pan. Now you see the shrimp and the sauce are coming together. They're about to be on your grits. It's about to go down. Y'all are really going to enjoy this one. Like I promise you. So I'm going to go ahead and just combine this. I'm making 4 pounds of shrimp here. So this shrimp is going to take a little longer to cook. And these shrimp are a little larger. So they're going to take a little longer to cook than if you were making maybe a pound or 2 pounds of shrimp. You're just going to vary that time. One thing that you will notice is that when shrimp is raw, it is in that gray color. And as it begins to cook, you will see that it turns a pretty pink color. Alrighty, so that's just an indication you can use in your own kitchen as to timing your shrimp to cook. You do not want over shrimp. No one wants hard, rubbery shrimp. We want soft, succulent, juicy shrimp. Alright, so I'm just going to mix this up and we're going to let this cook for about another 10 to 15 minutes, and that's including the time for our shrimp to fully cook and our sauce to just marry with that gravy. And it's going to be bomb when we serve it up. I'm telling you, people are going to be raving about your shrimp and grits. All right, so we see here about 10 minutes has gone by now because some of that shrimp is still gray, and then you see there's some of it that's coming together pink. We're almost where we want to be, guys. We're going to let this cook for another couple minutes, and then at the same time, you should be working on your grits so everything can be served all nice and hot and fresh together. You're going to see that gravy come about. And I just want to know, like, when you guys go ahead and try this recipe, I want you guys to tell me how it went for you. This is my foolproof recipe. Everyone who's ever tried it has loved it. I would not steer you guys wrong. Look at that. We are at completion, guys. Try this recipe out. Let me know how it goes for you down below in the comments. Like, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell your mama. Come back again, guys. I'll have more for you all. Send some people this way, guys. I'll have more for them. Let me know what you guys want to see. As always, I appreciate you coming by.